efforts on the sinking boat have had to come to a stop for a while because the wind has kicked up. And it looks like we're in for some severe weather. Whittier is either paradise or the most severe weather I have ever seen in my life. It will definitely test your endurance. But that wind is so strong, it can blow you off of the docks. Looks like Spot and Baby are going to have to wait on their walk today for a little while until this weather gets a little better. Right. Just to update you on what's happening. Talk to you later.